Scythe 460 Taper versus Wizard Arrow 480 Ball. This Beyblade battle was actually featured in the Beyblade X manga. And this is my very first Beyblade X battle, like standalone battle video. So this will actually be a really interesting one because this is Bird versus Multi. Sorry if my camera angle is weird. My camera angle is weird. I have to fix it because I'm trying so hard to make this work, but I think I might have to go a different route. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! First finish. Wizard Arrow wins round 1 with a burst finish. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Scythe is trying to get used to the stadium. Oh wow! Scythe pretty much took over after that last big hit. Wizard Arrow is staying steady. See what happens. And Wizard Arrow wins round 2 with a spin finish. That's 1 point to Wizard Arrow. 3, 2, 1, go! I can't count that. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was a huge extreme dash to Wizard Arrow. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh no! An extreme finish to extreme finish. Wizard Arrow wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, over finish! Scythe wins that round with over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Was that like 4 extreme dashes? Wow! Whoa! Wizard Arrow was that round with a spin finish. Wizard Arrow took 4 extreme dashes. Wow. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh! Huge hit. Yeah, Scythe was launched off balance, so it's acting kind of weird. And Wizard Arrow takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Over finish. Scythe wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! That was a huge hit. Wizard Arrow takes that round with a spin finish, I think. Go shoot. Extreme dash. Wizard Arrow wins that round with the extreme dash. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, so Wizard Arrow won that round with a extreme finish, I think. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, my camera fell over again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Whoa! Wow, these two are clashing a lot. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, now I'm getting better launches. And Scythe wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Whoa! Wizard Arrow got some extreme dashes in. Wizard Arrow wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa! Extreme finish. Scythe wins that round with the extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. huge hits. Yeah, launching Scythe first is just not a good idea in general. I mean, in terms of this battle, it's not a good idea. Yeah. Wizard Arrow wins that round with a spin finish. Go shoot. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I mean, last round was an over finish. Scythe is doing his best. Oh! And Scythe takes the win with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Whoa! Scythe is doing his best to knock Wizard Arrow off balance. It's getting close. And Wizard Arrow takes the win with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Scythe is doing his best. Oh, Wizard Arrow tipped over. Will Scythe finally win? And Scythe wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! 2 extreme dashes. Scythe is pretty hard, but the stamina just dies after those extreme dashes. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That would have been extreme dash if the lip wasn't there. Whoa! Scythe is hitting pretty hard. Will Wizard Arrow take the win now that Scythe has lost most of his stamina? I'm surprised how calm the battle got though. That's the calmest battle so far. It has to be. And Wizard Arrow takes the win! And it's spun around Scythe too. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Scythe is doing his best to get an extreme. Oh! Wizard Arrow got the extreme finish! And it was a proper one too, instead of just being self-extreme. Wow! Scythe just went out. I don't know who the winner is at the moment because there are so many battles happening, so much chaos, and overall, it just feels like all this extreme finishes and the camera knocking down and all this other stuff. Yeah, I have to just calculate the points, and I'll calculate the points soon. Before I say the winner, I want to say, if you want to support this channel, feel free to go to Model Toys. There's a link in the description, and whenever you click the link, you'll actually go to the actual site. You'll go to the site itself, and whenever you buy through that link, you'll actually support the channel in the process. I also have coupon codes for Bays and Bricks and Model Toys. They are the Legendary R. And you can save 5% off on Model Toys and 7% off on Bays and Bricks using my coupon codes. And if you want to support me in a non-financial way, you can just watch my videos, like, comment, share, subscribe, and stuff like that. That always helps. Thank you for your support, and I greatly appreciate it. Your support is actually what helps me get Beyblades like these, because without your support, I wouldn't have gotten this far. Thank you so much. So, I calculated the points, and I'll tell you the winner right now. Your winner is Wizard Arrow, 480B, or 480 ball. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary. Also, this Beyblade is surprisingly really good so far. Like, this is the first battle and it's already winning a lot. Anyway, bye.